Hello dear students, welcome to a new session. In this session we'll be working on the final revision of statistics. Let's start. Question 1. Complete each of the following. The probability of the impossible event is? Excellent, it is 0. The probability of the certain event is? 1. If the probability of the success of a student is 90%, then the probability of his failure is what? The total probability is 1, so it's 1 minus 90%, which is 10%. Question 4. A bag contains 36 marbles. Noah had drawn one randomly. It was found red color. If the probability of getting red marble is 1/9, then how many red marbles do we have in the bag? As we know, if we have the probability and we want to find the number, we multiply the probability by the total. So in this problem, we're going to multiply 1/9 multiplied by 36 to get the number of the red marbles. As we just explained, it will be 1/9 multiplied by 36. So there are 4 red marbles in that bag. Question 2, it's another type of question to choose the correct answer. In an experiment of tossing a metal coin once, the probability of appearance of a head is? Yes, excellent, it's half. Question 2, if a die is tossed once, then the probability of getting a number satisfies the inequality 2 is less than x is less than 3 equals what? We know that all the choices that we get from tossing a die are all integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So none of them is between 2 and 3. So in this case, the right answer is 0. A class contains 20 boys and 15 girls. If a pupil is chosen randomly, then the probability that the pupil is a boy is? Excellent, it's 20 boys over the total, which is 35. If you simplify this, it will be 4/7. So in this question, the right choice is choice D. Question 4. If a die is tossed once, then the probability of getting a number less than 3 is? How many numbers are there less than 3? There are only 1 and 2. So there are 2 numbers out of 6 possible outcomes. Then it is 1/3. So in this question, the right answer is choice B. Question 5. The probability of the possible event could be equal to which of the following? We know that the probability cannot be negative, cannot be more than 1. So the right choice is choice C. If a die is tossed once, then the probability of getting a number greater than 4 is? We have only 2 possible numbers greater than 4, so it's 2/6. Then the result is 1/3. Question 3. One card is selected randomly from 8 cards, numbered from 1 to 8. Write down the sample space, then the probability of each of the following. First of all, let's write the sample space. The sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The probability of getting an even number, as you can see from the sample space, we have 4 even numbers out of 8 numbers we have in the sample space. So the probability of even is 4/8, which is 1/2. And this was the answer of question 1. Question 2, getting a number greater than or equal to 6. The probability of getting a number greater than or equal to 6. There are only 3 numbers, 6, 7, and 8. So there are 3 out of 8, and this fraction is given in the simplest form. Question 4, a box contains 5 white, 4 black, and 7 red balls. A ball is drawn randomly from the box. Find the probability of each of the following events. The first one, getting the ball which is black. So the answer of number 1, the probability of a black is how many black balls do we have? Yes, excellent. It's 4 over, what's the total number of balls do we have? It's 16. If you simplify this, it will be 1 over 4. The second question, the probability of not white. Not white means all the colors except white. So black is okay, red is okay, so it's 11 out of 16. Let's now go to question number 5. A sample consists of 100 persons who watch TV. If some one of them was selected at random, what is the probability of that person's preference? So to answer this question 1, the probability of watching sports is 36 divided by 100, which is the total. That is 9 over 25. Question 2, the probability that the person does not watch news, it's all of them except 21. So it is 79 divided by 100. Question 3, the probability of watching documentaries, it's 12 divided by 100. To simplify this fraction, it will be 3 over 25. Question 4, what is the probability of watching all of them? It's 100 over 100, so the result is 1. Let's now go to the evaluation part. A card is drawn randomly from 10 cards numbered from 1 to 10. Find the probability that the card is numbered an even number. So, the probability of even, like what we did in the previous questions, we have 5 even numbers out of 10, which is half. The second one, what is the probability the number is divisible by 5? We have only 2 numbers divisible by 5, 5 and 10, right? So the probability here is 2 out of 10. If you simplify this fraction, it's 1 over 5. Question 2, a box contains 2 red balls, 6 white balls, 4 green balls. What is the probability of getting a red ball? So the probability of red is 2 out of the total, which is 12. If you simplify this, it's 1 over 6. Question 2, the probability of green is that we have 4 green divided by the total, which is 12. If you simplify this, it's 1 over 3. The last question, the probability of getting a black ball, as you can see, we don't have any black balls, so the probability of black is equal to 0. At this point, dear students, we reached the end of our session. Thank you very much. Wishing you best of luck.